This is Jason from Access Fixtures. Today, we're excited to introduce you to BOST LED Post Top Lights, an architectural-grade lighting solution that combines classic Bostonian style with modern LED technology. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more lighting insights. Now, let's get started. Choosing the right lighting for your project is crucial. It's about more than just illumination, it's about aesthetics, durability, and efficiency. BOST Post Top luminaires offer all of these, making them a versatile choice for a wide range of outdoor applications. BOST is designed with versatility in mind. As a post-top light fixture, it is ideal for pathways, sidewalks, commercial entrances, and roadway lighting applications, and more. Proper planning involves selecting fixtures that meet high-performance standards and comply with relevant regulatory requirements. This includes conducting a photometric study to ensure optimal light distribution tailored to your specific needs. The BOST is an architectural-grade fixture crafted from precision-engineered die-cast aluminum for superior aesthetics and durability. It is designed and manufactured to meet the highest performance standards and is, importantly, BAA and BABA compliant. With advanced energy-efficient LED technology, BOST luminaires have an extreme life L70 rating of 187,000 hours, providing exceptional durability and virtually maintenance-free performance. BOST LED post-top lights offer multiple customization options. You can choose from various optical distributions, including types 2, 3, 4, and 5, to direct light precisely where it's needed. You also have a choice of the Kelvin temperature, with options for 3000, 4000, and 5000 Kelvin to achieve the perfect ambiance. Wattage options include 10 watts, 19 watts, and 28 watts. For enhanced efficiency, BOST is designed with various control options. These include 3-pin, 5-pin, and 7-pin twist lock photocell, as well as a microwave sensor with dimming. Additionally, standard surge protection is included, 6 kV, with 10 kV available. We often get questions about the BOST Post Top. Let's cover 3 key ones. Is it durable? Yes, it's crafted from die-cast aluminum. What about wet locations? It's CSA listed for wet locations, and the LED is IP66 rated. What is the warranty? BOST comes with a 5-year limited warranty. Installation is straightforward. BOST Post Top accommodates a 278-inch by 3-inch tenon for mounting. To complement your specific pole or design, optional black tenon adapters or custom color tenon adapters are available. The fixture itself comes standard with a durable black powder coat finish over a chromate conversion coating, and for tailored aesthetics, custom RAL colors are also available. BOST LED post-top lights from Access Fixtures offer a remarkable combination of classic architectural and modern design. With extreme life LEDs, durable construction, and customizable options, it's an ideal solution for a wide range of outdoor lighting projects. Ready to illuminate your space with BOST? Visit our website at www.accessfixtures.com or call us at 800-468-9925 to speak with a lighting specialist today.